7 foods that help repair your kidneys. Your kidneys are vital organs that filter toxins, regulate blood pressure, balance electrolytes, and maintain overall health. While chronic kidney conditions can develop for many reasons, diet plays a critical role in kidney repair and maintenance. Certain foods, rich in antioxidants and essential nutrients, can help promote kidney health and even support the repair of damaged kidney tissues. There are 7 foods that are especially beneficial for repairing your kidneys. 1. Onions. Onions are a powerful ally for kidney health due to their low potassium content and high concentration of quercetin, a potent antioxidant. Quercetin helps reduce inflammation, which is particularly beneficial for those with kidney disease, as inflammation often exacerbates kidney damage. Onions also contain sulfur compounds that have been shown to detoxify heavy metals and other harmful substances, lightening the workload of your kidneys. Their low sodium levels make them an excellent flavor enhancer for kidney-friendly meals without increasing salt intake. Additionally, onions promote heart health, which is closely tied to kidney function. They help lower cholesterol levels and improve circulation, ensuring adequate blood flow to the kidneys. The fiber content in onions supports overall digestive health and prevents issues like constipation, which can indirectly impact kidney health. Incorporating raw or cooked onions into your meals can provide a gentle yet effective boost to kidney function over time. 2. Blueberries. Blueberries are a superfood for your kidneys, packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and damage. These small berries are low in potassium, making them ideal for people with kidney issues. Studies suggest that regular consumption of blueberries can improve kidney function by reducing inflammation and lowering the risk of chronic kidney disease. The anti-inflammatory properties of blueberries also help to manage complications associated with diabetes and high blood pressure, 2 leading causes of kidney damage. Moreover, their high water content aids in hydration, which is essential for flushing toxins through the kidneys. Including blueberries in your diet, whether fresh, frozen, or in smoothies, can be a delicious and kidney-friendly choice. 3. Garlic. Garlic is another flavorful food that promotes kidney repair. It contains allicin, a sulfur compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that protect kidney tissues from oxidative damage. Allicin also helps regulate blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of diabetic nephropathy, a condition where high glucose levels damage the kidneys. Beyond its kidney-specific benefits, garlic supports cardiovascular health by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Since high blood pressure is a major contributor to kidney disease, maintaining optimal blood pressure levels is crucial. Adding garlic to your meals not only enhances flavor but also provides a wealth of health benefits that indirectly support kidney repair. 4. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a versatile vegetable that is low in potassium, phosphorus, and sodium, key nutrients to consider for kidney health. Rich in vitamin C, folate, and fiber, cauliflower helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. It also contains glucosinolates, which aid in detoxification and protect against kidney-damaging toxins. Additionally, cauliflower's fiber content promotes gut health, which has a direct impact on kidney function. A healthy gut reduces the burden on the kidneys by preventing the buildup of harmful waste products. Whether steamed, roasted, or mashed as a low-potassium alternative to potatoes, cauliflower is an excellent food for anyone looking to repair their kidneys. 5. Cranberries. Cranberries are renowned for their ability to support urinary tract health, but they also play a role in maintaining kidney function. These tart berries contain compounds called proanthocyanidins, which prevent bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract walls, reducing the risk of infections that could harm the kidneys. Cranberries also help lower the risk of kidney stones by reducing urinary calcium oxalate levels. Furthermore, cranberries are high in antioxidants, which combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys. Their natural diuretic properties encourage healthy urine flow, helping the kidneys flush out toxins more effectively. Consuming cranberries as fresh juice, without added sugar, or dried snacks can be a simple and tasty way to support kidney repair. 6. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are a kidney-friendly vegetable that is low in potassium, but high in essential vitamins, including vitamin C, vitamin A, and vitamin B6. These vitamins support immune function and tissue repair, which are crucial for damaged kidneys. Additionally, red bell peppers are rich in lycopene, an antioxidant known for its protective effects against oxidative damage. The fiber in red bell peppers helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing spikes that could harm the kidneys. Their vibrant color and sweet flavor make them a versatile ingredient for salads, stir-fries, or kidney-friendly snacks. Including red bell peppers in your diet not only aids in kidney repair, but also enhances overall nutritional intake. 7. Apples. Apples are a kidney-friendly fruit packed with fiber and antioxidants that promote kidney health. The soluble fiber in apples helps regulate blood sugar levels and lower cholesterol, reducing the strain on the kidneys. Pectin, a specific type of fiber found in apples, has been shown to reduce kidney-damaging toxins in the bloodstream. Apples also have anti-inflammatory properties, which are essential for repairing damaged kidney tissues. They are low in potassium, making them an excellent choice for people with chronic kidney disease. Eating apples regularly, whether raw, baked, or as unsweetened applesauce, can provide a steady supply of nutrients to support kidney repair. Incorporating these 7 foods into your diet can make a significant difference in repairing and maintaining kidney health. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional or dietitian. Any major dietary changes, especially if you have existing kidney conditions. A kidney-friendly diet, paired with hydration and a healthy lifestyle, can go a long way in protecting these vital organs.